So we're here at Let's Grow in Fort Worth, here to connect and learn, and excited to be a part of the franchise community.
Welcome to Let's Grow with Off-Whitey 6. Come on. I can't believe it's our 5th Let's Grow. Third one here in Dallas and 2 in Toronto.
The energy here is crazy. I haven't been to too many conferences that start at 7:30, but man, on day one, it was packed here in the morning. People are ready to jump in and learn.
So coming to Let's Grow is worth it because it's new content, new education, very, very current information.
The goal of Let's Grow has always been to connect franchisors with proper education so that they can sell more, grow their franchise.
Let's Grow is the best balance of fun, education, and networking in the franchise space.
It's really a must-attend event for me at this point. It's my 3rd year coming, and I don't see a year that I won't come.
You know, the value of attending this event is great for both sides, franchisors and franchisees.
You should be at Let's Grow next year because I will be here, but also for the continued education and all the different relationships that you will make just by attending.
You should be at the Let's Grow conference next year because it is amazing. The community is kind and generous, and it's really the place to be for franchise development.